Okay guys, today we're going to see what you can buy on eBay in Australia for around 120 bucks. Right now this is on eBay for $119. Let's see what we got. It's a Land Buster. It's made by Feiyue, however you say it. And there it is. Looking good so far. Cheap. Well packed. Doesn't want to come out of the box. Come on. Right. Let's see what we got. And some tools, Allen key, instructions, USB charger, remote, huge remote. There we go. Friction shocks, it looks like. Standard diff on the back. Let's see what we got. Brushed motor, 2-in-1 receiver, ESC, little battery up the back. I've just noticed on the remote it has this sticker here. You peel off, and it's actually got a switch, so you can switch it to high speed mode or children's mode. And I suppose you could hide it from your kids. You can put it into high speed mode. So all the details there. You can pause it if you want to read those. okay. The Feiyue Fighter short course truck went fairly well. I thought I didn't give it a real hard time at the skate park, as you can see in the video, but I did put probably 6 packs through it, and it's still drivable. It's still fine. It did turn 3-wheel drive at one point, but this wheel's come loose, so I've only just noticed that. That's an easy fix. I thought I'd actually broken something, but yeah, there's absolutely nothing wrong, apart from very early on the piece that basically fell off. As you can see, it's broken the little tab there. That came off. I was actually carrying it for the first video at the BMX track, and it just fell off. So I thought that wasn't a good start, but apart from that, it's been okay. For $119, I don't think you can go wrong. It's a small split there. There's a split there. Quite a few scuffs from the rocks. That's what happens when you have fun, I suppose. But like I said, for the money, I'll put the actual name of the thing in the description, because it's Feiyue and I'm having trouble saying it. So yeah, see you in the next video.